subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन से रिलेटेड एक और प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा। तो आइए देखते हैं वो क्या है। तो प्रॉब्लम इज गिवन इफ z1 z2 z3 आर द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स सच दैट 5z1 minus 13z2 plus 8z3 equals to 0, then you have to prove that z1 determinant of z1 bar 1, z2 bar 1 and z3 bar 1 equals to 0. You have to prove it. Okay, so let's prove it. Solution: z1, they have given z1 z2 z3 are complex numbers such that, so they have provided this condition: z1 minus 13 z2 plus 8 z3 equals to 0. Okay, so we can write this equation form of z1 plus 8 z3 equals to 13 z2. We can divide by 13, so we get z3, so z3 z2 fine, so we can get 8z3 plus 5z1 equals to z2 and here upon 13. Now so z2 equals to 5z1 plus 8z2 upon, we can write 5 plus 8. Okay, now we can see that there is this is z3, there is a point z2 and z3 and z1. Okay, so z2 is dividing this line joining z1 and z3 form of 8 is to 5. Okay, so definitely these 3 points are collinear. When these 3 points are collinear, then the condition would be z1 bar 1, z2 bar 1, z3 bar 1 equals to 0. So this is the solution of this problem. So here we had only used two concepts, one section formula and other collinearity of 3 points. Okay, so I hope आप लोगों को ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Thank you.